Hello and welcome. Did you know that nearly 80% of millionaires are first-generation rich? They didn't inherit their wealth. They built it through smart financial decisions. And you can do it too with the right knowledge and tools. Understanding personal finance is crucial because it empowers you to make informed decisions about your money. Whether it's managing debt, saving for the future, or investing wisely, having the right knowledge can make all the difference. In this video, I'm going to share with you 16 must-read books that will set you on the path to wealth and financial success. So let's get into the books. Welcome back, my fellow knowledge seekers. Before we dive deeper into today's intriguing content, I want to take a moment to invite you to join our community. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel and smashing that notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay updated on all our latest uploads, ensuring you never miss out on the wealth of information we share. Let's dive into today's fascinating topic. First up is The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This book is a no-nonsense guide to financial fitness. Ramsey provides a practical, step-by-step plan to take control of your money, get out of debt, and build wealth. He breaks down financial success into a series of baby steps, making the process less daunting and more achievable. You'll learn how to create a budget, build an emergency fund, and invest wisely. Ramsey's approach is straightforward and easy to follow, making it perfect for beginners who need clear, actionable advice. Next, we have Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. This book contrasts the differing financial philosophies of Kiyosaki's two dads, his real father and his best friend's father, who he considers his rich dad. Through this lens, Kiyosaki explains the mindset and principles that separate the wealthy from the poor and middle class. Key lessons include the importance of financial education, investing in assets that generate income, and the value of entrepreneurship. This book is essential for anyone looking to change their mindset about money and learn the basics of building wealth. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason is another gem. Using parables set in ancient Babylon, Clason imparts timeless financial wisdom that remains relevant today. The book's simple yet powerful lessons include saving at least 10% of your income, living below your means, and making wise investments. Through engaging stories, Clason teaches the principles of sound financial planning and prudent investing in a way that's easy to understand and apply. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko examines the habits and behaviors of America's wealthy individuals. Contrary to popular belief, most millionaires are frugal and live well below their means. They drive used cars, live in modest homes, and prioritize financial independence over flashy status symbols. This book provides valuable insights into the true habits of wealth building, debunking many myths about what it means to be rich. Ramit Sethi's I Will Teach You to Be Rich is a step-by-step program for financial success aimed at young adults. Sethi's approach is very practical and easy to implement, covering topics like automating your finances, conscious spending, and the basics of investing. He emphasizes the importance of starting early and making smart financial decisions that align with your personal values and goals. Sethi's advice is straightforward, actionable, and designed to help you achieve financial success without sacrificing your quality of life. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki and Joe Dominguez focuses on transforming your relationship with money and achieving financial independence. The book guides readers through a 9-step program that includes tracking your expenses, evaluating your spending habits, and aligning your spending with your values. By following their program, you can achieve financial independence and live a more fulfilling life, free from the stress and constraints of money. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki and Joe Dominguez focuses on transforming your relationship with money and achieving financial independence. The book guides readers through a 9-step program that includes tracking your expenses, evaluating your spending habits, and aligning your spending with your values. By following their program, you can achieve financial independence and live a more fulfilling life, free from the stress and constraints of money. In The Simple Path to Wealth, J.L. Collins simplifies investment strategies and wealth building. Collins' approach makes investing accessible to everyone, highlighting the importance of index funds and financial independence. He emphasizes the power of compound interest and the benefits of low-cost, passive investing. This book is a must-read for anyone looking to build wealth through smart, simple investment strategies. Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor is a classic on value investing and stock market strategies. Though dense, this book provides invaluable insights into investment principles like margin of safety and long-term strategies. Graham's advice is timeless, helping investors make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. It's a must-read for understanding the stock market and developing a solid investment strategy. Grant Sabatier's Financial Freedom offers steps to achieve financial independence and retire early. Sabatier's inspirational story shows that financial freedom is attainable through multiple income streams, aggressive saving, and investing. He shares practical advice on how to increase your income, reduce expenses, and invest wisely to achieve your financial goals faster than you ever thought possible. Next, Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money explores how our psychology affects our financial decisions. Understanding your financial behavior, thinking long-term, and avoiding common mistakes are key takeaways that make this book a must-read for everyone. Housel uses stories and anecdotes to illustrate the complex ways in which we think about and interact with money, making the topic accessible and engaging. Next, You Are a Badass at Making Money by Jen Sincero is a motivational guide to overcoming fears and building wealth. Sincero's humor and practical advice on changing your money mindset and increasing income make this book an enjoyable and empowering read. She combines personal stories, practical tips, and a no-nonsense attitude to help you transform your financial life and achieve your goals. Next, Tony Robbins' Unshakable offers financial strategies for achieving financial freedom and stability. Robbins' advice on long-term investing, diversification, and financial resilience is actionable and inspiring. He simplifies complex financial concepts, making them accessible to everyone, and provides a roadmap to financial success. Next, The Art of Money by Barry Tesler takes a holistic approach to personal finance, combining emotional and practical aspects. Tesler's unique perspective on understanding your money story and building a healthy relationship with money makes this book stand out. She provides practical advice on financial management while addressing the emotional and psychological aspects of money. Next is John Saforick's The Wealthy Gardener combines personal finance with life philosophy. This book is deeply personal and philosophical, offering financial principles and life lessons for building wealth through hard work and perseverance. Saforick uses the metaphor of a gardener to illustrate the process of cultivating financial success and a fulfilling life. Next is The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy explores how small, consistent actions lead to significant results over time. The power of daily habits and incremental improvements is a powerful message for anyone looking to build wealth. Hardy emphasizes the importance of consistency and discipline in achieving long-term success. Lastly, The 30-Day Money Cleanse by Ashley Feinstein Gersteli is a practical guide to resetting your financial habits in 30 days. With daily financial exercises, Gersteli helps you build better money habits and achieve financial clarity quickly. This hands-on approach is perfect for anyone looking to make immediate improvements in their financial situation. If you enjoyed this video, do consider sharing it with others, subscribing to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.